Everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you delete your Epic Games account from forever, and it's pretty easy and it's not that hard. I'm going to show you how today, and yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if it actually helped you. So yeah, let us see how. So first of all, we're going to open any browser, okay, and you're going to go onto Google. Okay, when from Google, we're going to search for Epic Games log in. Okay, once you click on Epic Games login, you're going to click on the first account and you're going to sign into your Epic Games account. Now you're going to sign in using, now we're going to log in. Once you log in, okay, you're going to go onto your account settings over here, the first ever option, and then you're going to go and down all the way until something called request account delete. Now once you click on that, this process is irreversible. Once you delete your account, you cannot get it back at all. So make sure make sure that you're 100% sure or that you want to delete your account, because as I said, if you delete it, you're not going to be able to get it back at all. So once you click on request account delete, you're going to click on delete account, and it's going to take either it's going to be deleted right away, or it's going to take some time to be deleted. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, if that actually helped you, yeah, drop a comment and say that actually helped me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you.